Hey guys, it's Rick at Monster Bass, and today I want to tell you about the multi-species box. Now, first of all, I want to say thank you for checking out our Amazon store. Everything we do at Monster Bass is designed to help you become a better angler and catch more fish. Now, the multi-species box is perfect for somebody that just loves fishing in general. If you love fishing for bass, crappie, panfish, bluegill, this is the box for you. Now, every box is going to have somewhere around 8 or 9 baits. It's going to include a guidebook. It's going to include stickers. But we're going to give you everything from little soft plastics to hard baits so that you're equipped to catch fish on any body of water, regardless of the species. So we got bass baits in the box, and then we've got perfect little baits for the panfish. Whether you're new or whether you're advanced, the box has something just for you. So if you're considering a purchase and you just want a fishing box in general, check out Monster Bass's multi-species box. It's perfect, and you're gonna love everything in the box, guaranteed.